So our next assessment for today is assessing the mouth and aura pings. Assessment? Tama ba? Assessing mouth and aura pings, tama. Oh.
Sa dentro.
Yeah, show it. So, 1, 2, 3.
Inhaling sa'yo.
So, our next assessment for today is assessing the mouth and aura pings. So, we're gonna introduce ourselves to the patient. Ma'am, my name is Miles Roberti. I'm from the University of St. Anthony and I will be your student nurse for today. So, ma'am, we're gonna refer the client's identity. Ma'am, can you set, ma'am, your name?
I'm Salvacion T.
So, next is, we have verified the client's identity. So, we're gonna explain the procedure to ma'am. So, this assessment, ma'am, so we're gonna assessing your mouth and aura pings, especially your throat. So, this will do and gives us findings of any problems and normalities of your aura pings and mouth. And after that, the data that we have collected will be beneficial for us in the future. And so after that, we're gonna perform hand hygiene. And we're gonna close the windows and curtains and door for patient's privacy. And after that, we're gonna inspect the lips and buccal mucosa of ma'am. So we're gonna inspect lips. Yeah. And it's okay naman. So we're gonna use gloves because for hygienic protocol. So we're gonna palpate the mucosa and lips of mom. So mom, can you under your lips? Can you open? So it's completely normal naman. And after that, the gums and teeth we're gonna inspect. So mom, can you show your teeth? Can you show your gums like open wide? So it's completely normal naman. Left and right. And after that, we're gonna inspect the tongue floor and the mouth. Can you show me your tongue? And normal in the tongue. And the tongue is in the floor. Like, can you put it? Yan, that ma'am. And down the tongue. Yan. And it's completely normal naman. And after that, we're gonna see the pullates and uvula. And we're gonna inspect it for colors, shape and symmetry. So it's completely normal naman. Left and right is completely normal. So after that, we're gonna inspect the aura pings and the tonsil. I'm going to open wide. So we're gonna use light. So to open, we're gonna inspect the uvula and the pullates. Can you out your tongue? So it is completely normal naman. So the aura pings and tonsil. So it's completely normal, left and right. So our findings for today is completely normal naman, ma'am. How's the procedure, ma'am? Do you have experience pain or anything?
None.
So ma'am did not experience any pain. So after that, we're gonna document all the findings. And once we have document all the findings, these findings and data that we have gathered will be beneficial for us for the future. And after that, we're gonna do hand hygiene, and that is it. We have finished our assessment.